Hi, I am Robert. Today I am going to show one of the best airbrush kit compressor. Here is a lure airbrush kit compressor. It is available in two colors, pink and white. With 6 feet air hose, standard 1/8 BSP male fitting threads. Support more airbrush guns. Now question is why you will buy this airbrush kit? Because it is one of the latest and best airbrush kit. Let's see some review who have purchased this good. So you can see most people reviewed it and got some good result. Now it's time to show some of its works. Okay, I think this will be perfect for you. You can order it right now by clicking the link in description and don't forget to subscribe.